if you ask me in general, I think we should not change as a person. Whatever we are, we should not change it for the other individual, just for his or her, like, happiness or satisfaction. At some level, he can, like, just to come to a common ground. But I don't think so. You should completely change yourself towards an individual, and then later on, like, again comes back to your first question. Then later on, you regret it that why it happened.
Actually.
I won't change that.
Nice.
Yeah, I feel we should accept each other regardless. See, each one of us is a different personality.
True, yes.
And I might be having, my nature might be, maybe my wife might be a little introvert, I might be a little extrovert. So it depends how we blend each other. I mean, how we complement. There are few things that maybe my wife doesn't like, but she'll make an effort from her side to accept that thing. But the problem comes is when we don't express that thing to each other, and at one point it becomes frustrating. So it should be like, no, I don't think that should affect a relationship.
Okay, so मैं अंडरस्टैंडिंग मुझे लगता है मैं अंडरस्टैंडिंग हूँ.
Okay.
So मैं नहीं चाहती
आपको लगता है अच्छी बात है?
या बट मैं हूँ शायद at some level. So yeah, fine. So मैं नहीं चाहूँगी कि मैं वो चेंज करूँगी अपने रिलेशन में, कि सबके साथ तो हूँ और अब जब मैं अपने रिलेशन में हूँ तो मैं कुछ और किसी का ये करके इन्फ्लुएंस होके मैं वो अपने इस पे ये
वो खराब नहीं करना चाहूँगी. बहुत सही.
Happiness, in the beginning at least I have noticed to have lots and lots of fun, lots of happiness.
Very true.
And I don't wish that to change, so yeah.
Nice.
It's been 2 months since we're married, so yeah.
Oh, nice. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Very nice. Yes. Sir, what do you have to say about
Q-riocity.
Oh, nice. Hashtag curiosity, guys.
Because the thing is, the curiosity should not miss anyone in any relation it is. So mainly in the married relation, so the curiosity should not miss. They should maintain. It should be there.
Independence, like sort of, like probably a job or something, that
Okay,
your partner
financial
might want to.
independence.
Yeah.
Okay. What? Same thing. Okay, same.
A cut eyebrow.
गजब बेइज्जती है. Bye guys. Seriously. मेरी ही मार रही है यार. Okay. Do you have a different answer?
Yeah, the guy who doesn't respect my career choice.
Okay.
So I would prefer someone who is respecting my career choice, like whatever it is like.
By the way, this is not a cut. I might be an accident. Okay.
Trust issues.
Okay.
Yeah, because when we lose our trust in a person, then it's very difficult to stay with that person.
Very true. Papa time.
क्या याद होगा?
हाँ, थोड़ा explain करो.
क्या? मेरे लिए है कि नहीं सच्ची मामा जी आपका हाँ किसी कोई गर्ल है बात कर रहे हैं नथिंग कोई दिक्कत नहीं है लेकिन छुप के बात कर रहे हैं वो धोखा नहीं हो गया वो दिल ब्रेकर.
जैसे मैडम ने बोला ना, ट्रस्ट नहीं होगा तो रिलेशन नहीं रहेगा. अच्छा, सिंपल वस्तु.
तो ट्रस्ट बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है जो भी हो. बहुत सही.
Deal breaker, I think it's trust.
Okay.
Yeah, and the honesty and loyalty, what is between the couple. Time, if the person is not giving you time, then it's a biggest red flag.
Thank you guys for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.